ole hei tuna hian chalfil lampangan pandona nain zem bok kan om me kan ni do pakhata kan luta he kan mamo ho kan lamdon ni Aizawl Thunder ho nen ole chalfil kan kal dona to na we're going to go to Chalfil. Kan mua ding lampang. Right side is Aizawl and the left side is the east side of the Mizoram. And now here is the north side. We're going to go this side. And here is some restaurant. We're going to have a take food over here. We finish everything. They all are coming from Manipur. This is Sesong.
Okay.
Sesong. Aizawl Thunder.
Prisons, 11th North East Riders Mania. Welcome back home, where it all started. Chalfil Tourist Resort.
This is Tuirini Bridge. Tuirini. Wow, wow. Welcome to Darlon Forest Division. This is Korolian. Karolian is the name of bone.
Okay.
The big bone.
Big bone.
Yes.
Big bone.
Bone.
Yeah.
Bone.
Bone.
Why do they name it like that?
I don't know.
This way. Yeah, this all
Those are our friends. Karolian. Cái trong hiên chal phil. I don't know. Kan theng potang.
What, he's asking to follow them?
No. You're going to IB or what? He just asking me.
IB?
IB.
IB means?
IB mean the staying of room.
I love staying.
Okay, okay. Yeah, he's asking you.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Where did are you going to stay? He just say like that.
Okay,
He just asking me.
okay. Because it will take at least 3 hours to get down there. Minimum 3 hours, huh?
Yeah. Khatpui. Tingnan ni.
Oh, 90
Khalange chal fil tlang kal na. Eh. Oh. 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 Ale ale. This is Chalfil Road. is very nice. All the tree.
Huh?
Oh, maybe they are going to make this road
Yes.
like this. Sunset.
Fuck this guy.
Okay.
So we've been welcome to NERF.
It's the main gate. Now I'm 2019. Eyes on thunder.
Let me take one picture.
Oi. Let's move it.
Okay.
So they have a stall over here.
No. These are.
Look like
They're going to have a stall over here.
Okay, I don't think so.
Maybe.
Boring. These are the yes. Yeah.
1 o'clock
हो जाएगा
स्टॉल का वो उधर क्यों है? जो मुझे उधर
Wow, riders. We are on the top. Mỗi ngày mà